Hey everyone, so I have this Guitar Hero drum set here. It doesn't work. I'm curious to see what's inside. I know some of these parts have value on eBay, so I'm gonna go through everything at the end of the video, like what you can kind of get for some of this stuff with scrap value. So let's open this up. Hopefully there's some good stuff in here. I know some of those little drum thingies, sensors or whatever you want to call them, have some value on eBay. These guys on here don't work, but the other ones do. So that's why I'm taking it apart. I think I got it. Yeah, there you go. Nope, I missed one. It should be it. Oh, I missed another one. Alright. So, we have a nice hunk of plastic. Curious to see if these back covers are worth anything on eBay. I'm gonna check that out. So, from what I can see, there's not a lot in these things. So you have the sensors here, the wires that go into these little, I guess, if you want to call them, I doubt they're mid-grade, but we'll say low-grade boards, some wiring, nothing too special. And so these are what might have some value on eBay, and I'm going to check that out. Unfortunately, the ones that sell really well are these guys here, the cymbals, but unfortunately they have corrosion damage, and the plastic and all the wiring is kind of falling apart, and they also don't work, so obviously I can't sell that. And this guy here also has some value. So as you can see, it's not a lot to write home about on inside one of these drum kits. Scrap value, but eBay value might be some value here. It's mostly from these guys here, because these work. I tested them and they work, so hopefully they have some value. I'm guessing at most it'll have 20, but I'm gonna check that out and put all the values at the end of the video. So this was nice and quick, short video. Had this lying around that I tested and everything was just sitting, and now I'll have the values for you at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them. Any suggestions, you can leave those too. Thanks a lot.